You're absolutely not gonna believe what I'm about to show you. The tides are changing and there is big dangers right now looming right around the corner. But guys, before you comment below anything, don't be a Karen. Watch this video from the beginning and until the end to get the context, and then you shall persevere and make a lot of money together with Mr. Spot On. So let's just jump straight into this. We've seen a crazy pump yesterday, and we saw about 100 million of shorts liquidated. Not that big of a deal, so that's why I said that the liquidations are relatively small. So therefore it is looking like more or less a real pump. We're going to get to the chart in just a second. I'm going to show you some really crazy stuff that has happened in the last 24 hours. It's literally you need to see. So stick around. And then also with some down move, we actually saw, because again, it went down, of course. What did I tell you in yesterday's video? Yeah, we'll get into it. So also $100 million worth of longs liquidated. So people were jumping into longs yesterday. And I guess they're not watching my YouTube videos. One of the things before we go to Bitcoin, before I want to take a look at S&P 500 as well, we were saying that Dixie, which we're supposed to be inverse correlated to in terms of Bitcoin, is in Dixie bull run. And the reason why this is happening is because actually right now oil is going up like crazy, and the reason is OPEC, and right now Russia is completely banning diesel exports, and right now this heating season is coming up, so this is bad news. So therefore Dixie is rallying like absolute crazy, because a lot of the nations, what they actually need to do for themselves is they need to sell their currency into the dollars to purchase energy. So this is, as a lot of people are saying, this is the main reason why this is happening. So therefore it's all just energy based, and it will probably at some point come to the end once, because all these cutters and OPEC and Russia, they cannot keep doing this forever because it's hurting their economy as well. But despite this, what I want you to take away from this is look at Bitcoin. I mean, we are actually going up and we are not crashing. Or I mean, if we're going to take a look at S&P 500, S&P 500 is crashing. And normally we would see a correlation, but we are not seeing it right now. So this is actually very good, and I'm very happy to see this. When it comes to S&P 500, we have a very important support. And I guess depends on how you draw it. And this would be, I mean, this is just a general channel that I think is important right now. So right now, if we crash below like 4170 and like this opens the road lower, this could be quite concerning. But for now, Bitcoin doesn't seem to give a crap. Let's go to this chart right here. It doesn't seem to give two shits about it, to be honest. So, and like the video if you actually are happy about this. So what did I tell you? Because before I give you the juice of this video and the craziness that has happened, and I mean, which just shows what is about to happen. Let me show you the technicalities. We've seen this crazy pump, and I told you that 28,000 right now is an incredibly important level for us. This is the balance area. This is where we got rejected from previously, and yesterday it looked like some hopium that we kind of retested it here, broke above, tested it again, but again in a very short-term perspective. Beautiful trades were possible. If you want to see my personal trades and trades of my team, go down in the description of this video and join our free Discord channel. This is where we post all of the smallest trades. Here on YouTube I just show my big trades that I can hold for a long time, etc. All the smallest trades are in the Discord. Join us there immediately. Incredible place to be, and I mean, we're making crazy money this year. So, and we've had these bunch of opportunities here, but then unfortunately it all came crashing down on us. That's why I said really pay attention to what is going to happen, and we got rejected from it yet again, from this balance area. Now let's understand why did this happen and what is coming next. So the answer actually is very simple, guys. It's all because of Fed because this week there's so many Fed officials speaking on different occasions, different events. I don't even understand why all of them have to be doing this. But anyway, Fed policymakers see rates staying high for some more time, which is quite bad, you know, when it's kind of, you know, calling in for a recession, I suppose. And, you know, Fed's bar is saying that, you know, we are at the point where we can proceed, where we can proceed carefully on monetary policy and blah, blah, blah. So it's like doom and gloom again. And because of this, Bitcoin has reacted. Plus, the balance area of market makers, they found a lot of people longing in this vicinity, and it's just as logical for them to push the price down to liquidate all the longs, is what we've seen right here. So that's why always use proper risk and money management. But now, this guys is just explaining as to what is happening. Now, let me show you what has happened that actually dictates as to what is about to happen, what is around the corner, what is forward looking. Because it is crazy. And before I tell you, remember, if you want the exchange that you can trust, with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you can actually sign up with Bybit. And right now, just a couple of days left for a special promo, which comes out of my pocket, that if you sign up with using my link and deposit at least $100 and trade with that $100 and do the KYC, I will give you extra $100. My team will send it to you to your account within a couple of days. Plus, you can claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses in the reward center, depending on how much you deposit, how much you trade. All the rules are there once you sign up using my link. And also, only if you've used my link to sign up with Bybit, you can actually become part of my Discord community. It's absolutely free for Bybit traders and BitGet traders. Link to BitGet, no KYC in certain countries. Also, link down in the description of this video. And yeah, also you can claim crazy trading education, investing education, crypto education if you're interested. And all the information is down below, down in the description of this video. If you're a beginner trader or a trader who knows that you know how to trade, then you're gonna find a lot of super useful goodies down in the pinned comment as well as in the description of this video. Now, let's move to this right here, and I'm gonna paint a very good picture as to what is happening right now. Elon Musk calls fiat currency a scam as Bitcoin price surges. So Elon Musk actually came out on Twitter and said that fiat currency is a huge scam. And I mean, should we be angry at him? No, because he's absolutely right. Look at this. This is global currencies, 10-year return versus the US dollar. So this is, I mean, look, this is ridiculous. I mean, all these countries, and this is just the last 10 years. And like the Algerian dinar and like Thai baht from Thailand and Swiss franc and Singapore dollar, everything is in one direction. It's down. Because this is the nature of fiat currencies, except for what? Look, Bitcoin, 21,369%. This is how great Bitcoin is. That's why I absolutely agree with that this, as I always say, colonial monetary system, completely outdated system is about to pop. And they always pop. It's just how system is built because they cannot work without printing money. And when they print money, it's all just a never-ending loop of bullshit. And then Bitcoin comes in for the rescue. Now, what I also want you to see, before I give you the craziest news, is that we are witnessing right now the rebirth of Bitcoin as the new flight to safety. Look, the last month, here, this is the comparison of the return of Bitcoin versus SPY 1. So basically, also gold, guys, gold. Also SPY, which is stocks. And look, this is the return of these, minus 5%, minus 5%, minus 8%. This is crazy. While Bitcoin did 10%. So if this is not showing you what is happening in the world and how much liquidity and assets and just everything else is shifting towards decentralization, this is the best time to be alive right now. This is the moment, like Bitcoin being at 20 whatever thousand. This is the time. It's incredible. And also, if you're going to pay attention to what is happening, and I'm going to get to the juice in just a second, America's 13th largest city is mining Bitcoin. I mean, Mayor of Fort Worth, Texas says, we want to be a city that's on the forefront of technology innovation, energy security in the future. So, 13th largest city mines Bitcoin in the United States. City. I mean, not some Johnny in his garage, a city. So then Nebraska Public Power District actually testified about Bitcoin mining in the US Senate. And they said that it actually helps rural communities. Senate, you know, how huge is this? It's going political. It's going on the government level. And we're currently standing at such a incorrect price. I think that the price right now does not reflect the developments and the legislation, everything that is happening right now. It is just because of liquidity we're standing there and doing nothing, which is what? That's right. It's an opportunity for those who are ready to take action. Now, the biggest thing of today, Japanese automobile giant Honda now accepts Bitcoin and Ethereum as payment methods. Honda, of course, maybe it's not the biggest, manufacturer in the world, but Honda is huge. So Honda, the renowned Japanese automobile giant, has entered into a significant partnership with the blockchain payment system FCF Pay. This partnership is set to revolutionize the way customers purchase Honda's products by allowing them to use digital currencies in place of traditional fiat currencies. So Japan is going, very fast when it comes to crypto adoption. And the accepted currencies currently are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, Doge, Shiba Inu, and many more. So this is crazy. If you don't pay attention right now to these kinds of developments, which actually are spelling to us, they are just creeping in and saying, like whispering, what is about to happen. And when the ETF comes out, and it will come out, Gary Gensler will allow it 100%, 99.99%. This chart right here, ladies and gentlemen, will turn very different from what it is today. So I hope you're not going to be on the sideline. Guys, check out this first vlog of my crazy crypto expedition from New York to Alaska. Nobody has ever done this before. Check it out. It's very cool, very fun, and shows you how to, because I was showing every single one of my trades, it shows you that you can trade and travel and live the life that you want using trading. So check it out. And as always, peace and love. Time Scrawler, stay smart, stay very rich. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.